Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Harville from Harville Chiropractic Center in Powell. I get asked all the time, is it safe to crack my back? Yes, no, and maybe is the honest answer. If you can do it in a safe, gentle manner, a lot of times people will lie on their back and just gently twist. Sometimes that can be okay as long as it doesn't hurt. When is it not safe? When you do a more dynamic motion, when you're really twisting hard, shoving on stuff, that's a good way to hurt yourself and cause more damage and cause yourself more pain. So just be careful if you're going to do it. Make sure it's in a safe, controlled fashion. Better yet, let your chiropractor do it, and that's going to be a lot easier for you. And remember, it's always easier to stay well than get well.